Is there such a thing as a free bank? Let's talk Tangerine. Ever feel like traditional banks nickel and dime you with hidden fees? Monthly maintenance charges, ATM withdrawal fees, the list goes on. If you're tired of feeling like your bank account is a leaky bucket, you've probably stumbled upon online banks like Tangerine. But wait, is Tangerine actually free? That's the question we're diving deep into today. Now, before we dissect Tangerine's fee structure, let's address the elephant in the room. Can a bank truly be free? The short answer? Not entirely. Banks are businesses, after all, and they need to make money somehow. However, some banks, especially online institutions like Tangerine, operate with a much lower overhead compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. This allows them to offer features and services with significantly fewer fees, making them a more attractive option for cost-conscious consumers like you and me. So, with that in mind, let's get specific about Tangerine. Here's a breakdown of their key accounts and associated fees. Checking account. This is their bread and butter account, and the good news is there's no monthly maintenance fee. You can also make unlimited Interac e-transfers for free, which is a major plus for anyone who relies on digital payments. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Tangerine reimburses up to 5 ATM withdrawals per month from other banks' ATMs in Canada. After that, you'll be charged the ATM provider's fee. If you travel internationally, be aware of foreign ATM withdrawal fees as well. Savings account. Looking to grow your savings? Tangerine Savings Account boasts a competitive interest rate, which is definitely a perk. Similar to the checking account, there's no monthly fee, but there's a catch. You're limited to 25 transactions per month, including withdrawals and deposits. This might not be an issue for everyone, but if you need frequent access to your savings, it's something to consider. Alright, so Tangerine isn't entirely fee-free, but it's clear they've designed their accounts to minimize them. But how does this compare to traditional banks? Well, many traditional banks charge a monthly maintenance fee for checking accounts, often waived if you maintain a minimum balance. However, even with that, you might still encounter ATM withdrawal fees and other service charges. Here's the thing, the decision of whether Tangerine is right for you depends on your banking habits. If you're someone who rarely uses ATMs and prioritizes a high-interest savings account, Tangerine could be a great fit. On the other hand, if you need frequent ATM access or make a lot of transactions from your savings account, the limitations might outweigh the benefits. Beyond the fees, what else makes Tangerine different? So far, we've focused on fees, but there's more to consider. Here are a few things that set Tangerine apart. Mobile banking. Tangerine is all about convenience. Their mobile app is highly rated and allows you to manage your finances on the go. From depositing checks to paying bills, it puts your bank in your pocket. Customer service. Traditional banks often get a bad rap for long wait times and frustrating customer service experiences. Tangerine prides itself on offering excellent customer support through phone, email, and even social media. Security. Let's face it, security is paramount when it comes to your finances. Tangerine utilizes advanced security measures to protect your information, including multi-factor authentication and encryption. The verdict, is Tangerine the right bank for you? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but hopefully, this breakdown has given you a clearer picture of what Tangerine offers. If you value convenience, prioritize avoiding unnecessary fees, and appreciate a focus on mobile banking, Tangerine could be a fantastic option. However, if you require frequent ATM access or make a high volume of savings account transactions, their limitations might be a deal-breaker. Remember, don't just take our word for it. Do your own research, compare Tangerine to other banks, and see what best suits your financial needs. Ultimately, the best bank is the one that helps you manage your money effectively and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.